Need quick tips and tricks about making money online? They're here. You'll need to understand how to earn money online before you can actually do it. It's important to do your homework, as you will probably feel overwhelmed initially. Luckily, here's some excellent advice that can help you make a difference with your efforts. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. You can make money online at home by doing research as an information broker. Many individuals and businesses need people to research information online and provide it to their advertising departments. Sometimes this is freelance work. Sometimes companies provide an actual position that may come with benefits. You can start out freelance, build your reputation, and then seek out a full-time position if you wish. If you have a blog or website ready to go, think about selling advertising space on it. You will earn money each time one of your visitors stops what they are doing and clicks on the ad. The best way to be successful and earn money with pay-per-click advertising is to have a good website that offers valuable information. This will increase your traffic flow as well as the number of clicks you are getting. Google AdSense is one program that can get you started. To make real money online, consider launching a freelance writing career. There are numerous reputable sites that offer decent pay for video and content writing services. By checking into these options and watching feedback of each company, it really is possible to earn an income without ever leaving your home. Offer to advertise for others. Selling advertising space on your site can be one of the most reliable ways to turn a profit online. If you currently write a popular blog, there may be sellers available that will pay you to place an ad on your blog. This advertisement will offer a redirect to your readers. They will land on the affiliate company's site, where they will find offers to purchase. Apply these tips and work hard. The video above is everything you need to get started. Take your time and utilize the information included in this video for best results. Student loan.